Hi, I've heard that you're coming to Kin, and so I wanted to give you some handy tips about what you need to pack in the bag that you're going to bring with you. The first thing that we're going to do is sunscreen. So we need to make sure we put it on before we come and then bring it in your bag so that you can reapply it throughout the day. And along with sunscreen, we're going to need a hat that we're going to wear all day. The next thing we need to bring is a change of clothes and a towel, just in case. You don't know what's going to happen on a day at Kin Village, and that's one of the coolest things about coming and spending a day with us. So I've got my wet bag and I've got a towel to take with me, to bring with me. I've also got some change of clothes. So I'm going to bring in my bag a jumper, just in case. I'm also going to bring a raincoat, just in case. And that way I'm prepared for whatever the day is going to throw at us. And I've got my lunchbox, and I've got some snacks, and most importantly, I have got a gigantic water bottle that I'm going to bring filled up, but I'm going to have a water station that we can all fill our bottles up with throughout the day. So we're going to pop all that in our bag. We can't wait to see you. And yeah, have a great school holidays.